Want sweaty cardio without jumping or angry neighbors? Let's go. There's a meticulously designed 10-minute plan built around that very promise. It lives on YouTube, presented as a simple whiteboard animation, and it's a masterclass in removing barriers to exercise. The structure is simple: a 1-minute warm-up, an 8-minute workout, and a 1-minute cool-down. The rules are even simpler. First, the apartment rule: soft steps, quiet feet, light landings. Second, the effort rule: maintain a talkable pace where you can hold a conversation but couldn't sing a song. The core of the workout is 8 moves, each performed for 40 seconds. You start with a simple march with big arm swings, then move to a side-to-side step touch. There are small, smooth side shuffles and boxer punches with a forward step. The classic jumping jock is cleverly re-engineered into a low-impact version where you step out and in, no jump required. The workout continues with slow, controlled squats to an overhead reach and finishes with a knee lift that includes a gentle twist for balance. Every element is designed for effectiveness without impact, for sweat without sound. This approach plugs directly into a major shift in fitness. It's for the person living in a third-floor apartment, for the beginner intimidated by high-intensity gyms, and for anyone seeking what's now called cozy cardio, exercise that feels manageable and enjoyable. And science supports it. Studies confirm that even 10-minute bursts of activity can significantly improve cardiovascular health, boost your mood, and sharpen your focus. But a 10-minute routine is only powerful if you actually do it. For beginners, the key to long-term motivation isn't a punishing all-or-nothing mindset. It's starting small. It's scheduling that 10 minutes like a non-negotiable appointment. It's finding enjoyment, maybe by pairing the workout with a favorite podcast or music playlist. Tracking progress, even just checking off the day on a calendar, creates a feedback loop of accomplishment that builds momentum. And when that 10 minutes starts to feel easy, the plan is designed to grow with you. Progression doesn't mean you have to start jumping. You can increase the intensity by picking up the pace, deepening your squats, or adding light resistance with dumbbells or bands. You can extend the workout to 15 or 20 minutes, or you can explore other low-impact activities like cycling, swimming, or Pilates to keep things fresh. Crucially, this design thinks about everyone. For older adults or those with chronic conditions, nearly every move has a built-in modification. Can't stand for long? Do the entire routine seated in a sturdy chair. Worried about balance? Perform the moves next to a wall or counter for support. If a full squat is too much, a partial squat is just as beneficial. The goal is simply to move safely. Stop if you feel pain, reduce the range of motion, and listen to your body. Ultimately, a video like this does more than just show you exercises. It builds a community. When the workout ends, the call to action isn't just to subscribe, but to comment which move felt hardest. This simple question opens a dialogue, turning a solo activity into a shared experience. Channels foster this by hosting live Q&A sessions and creating quiet cardio challenges, transforming a collection of viewers into a supportive network. This is where modern fitness shines. It's not just about the workout itself, but about creating an entire ecosystem of support that makes health accessible, adaptable, and achievable for everyone, one quiet step at a time.